Welcome back, and we are going to the next lesson. And I'm going to show you how we can place the gutters. We have the gutter brackets in place, and I've already marked the points that will help us in placing the gutters. And I'll show you how we can configure the gutter, and I'll show you again how the tools available in Structures catalog, which you can configure and come with a proper shape of a gutter, and that you can generate drawing and give it to shop drawings shop floor, and they will be able to bend it to the right profile and be installed as a gutter. Now we have points here on top of our brackets. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to steel, and I'm going to snap on that spot and probably go to that spot, and we have our gut in place. So let me just position this in the best position, and place it in the middle. So it is in the middle, but not right at the center of our choice. So I can just move it manually to that spot, but still not the best because there's a slight collision with the bolts. So we'll need some small adjustment here, because you can see the overhead here, this will move the other way, and it will be bolted here on the purlin together with the iron sheet. So this is where we are, and there's a small clash. So I'm going to double click on it. So once I've double clicked on it, I'm going to click on that radio button here. So inside here, I'll be able to make some configuration. You can see we have the B here is this B. So you can change this maybe to maybe 3 or 380 right there. And click apply. Click apply. Is it that interesting? Let's see. Click apply and give it an OK. And if I come here, that has been shown. So if come here, bring it front, come here, bring it behind, come here, bring it middle. So what I need is just to move this to the center, that center to match with this center. As simple as that. So we need to shift this slightly to the midpoint here, to the midpoint here. Perfect. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Let me just double click once again, and I need to change this. So that has shifted perfectly well. So the next thing, what do? We need part of this coming out like that. So I'll come here and with some extension by probably 300. So I'll come here, snap at the center here. Our center will be somewhere there. So if I select the point right there, right click and come to spatial copy, pick on linear, and check my XYZ axis. I'll use X. See, X is pointing the other side. So I'm going to prefix my dimension with 300 dimension, and I'm going to create an extension here. Oh my gutter. Oh God. It is there. And right click and come to move. And I'm going to pick on that spot. I'll probably place it in a position that I'll be able to see the other parts. Right click and come to move. And I want to pick it from that position here and bring it here. Bring it right there. So you see that? Did you just see that? So it's still not the best. So I can select on it, right click and come to copy and pick it from that spot and bring it here. Once I've done so, I'll come to edit and pick combine this and that. Combine this and that. So it's one. So we have a 600 extension. So if I turn off like that, we'll have a very huge place where we can put our downspout there. So we have two options. We can bolt this with some, we can bolt this, we can put another layer here. We can bolt this, or we can just weld and put a seal. So for the purposes of training, we'll not go into those steps by creating, but this is key. You can weld, join this at weld, because the thickness can sustain the welding process, because it's 3 mm thick plate. So I'm going to pick on this and snap on that, and snap here, and snap here, and snap here, and we'll just move that way. As you can see, we have that in place. So once I've done so, I'm going to pick this extension here. Then I'll right click and come to spatial copy and pick on mirror. So where is our mirror line? Our mirror line is here on grid 6. So if I click copy and come at this far end here, you can see we've copied that. So the next thing we're going to do, probably simple. I'm going to create a point here. I'm going to create a point here, maybe holes. But holes, we need to create holes? No, but we can. So allow me to create these holes on the next presentation, please, because it's some bit of a time, but it's important because we are at class. What do we do? Please let's meet then. Bye bye.